Hey, welcome guys to this new video of my free trading series. So in today's video I'm going to explain exactly what trading is, how buying and selling works, and how the whole thing is linked to the financial market. So are you excited to learn? Make sure you stick till this video. Doesn't matter your level, whether you're a beginner or a professional trader, you are going to learn something valuable from this video. Basically, before you start trading, what is actually the meaning of trading? Like trading, forex trading. What does it mean? So trading basically means that you buy or sell an asset in order to make profit. Okay, so you can buy any financial asset such as gold, oil, forex currencies like dollar or cds or any kind of currency basically, and you want to buy and sell in order to make profit. So how does it work? How do you make profit? Assuming that you buy gold right now for $1,000, and then tomorrow the price of that same gold you bought for 1,000 is valued for maybe $1,500. So if you were to buy today for 1,000 and sell it tomorrow for 1,500, then you've made a profit of $500 by buying it early. So you buy to sell and then make profit out of it. Okay, you don't buy and sell just for fun. You buy and sell to make what? Profit, right? And the same way it goes, you can even sell to buy it later. Let's say you have gold and let's tell you that the price is $2,000. You sell it right now for 2,000, and maybe in 1 week the same gold that you sold for 2,000 could be maybe valued for 1,000. That means that you can take the $2,000 that you got from selling your gold a week ago and then take 1,000 out of it to buy back the gold you've made. So you didn't lose your gold you sold just to buy it later, but you bought it way cheaper. So what did you do? You made profit. So you sold it right now and then you bought it tomorrow cheaper, and what did you do? You made profit. So that's basically what trading means. Everything you need to do is buy, sell, to do what? Make profit. Basically the core idea here is you actually make profit only if you know how to predict correctly. If you cannot predict whether the price of an asset will go up or down, then you cannot directly start buying or selling in order to make profit. Hope that makes sense. Now that you know about that, how do price of asset go up or down? Because you want to predict whether it will go up or down. So how do you know? The way for you to know whether the price will go up or down is based on something you call supply and demand. Supply and demand is very simple concept, and let me explain it to you guys. If more people are buying a certain asset, then the price of that asset goes up. If more people are selling asset, then the price of that asset goes down. Simple. If a lot of people are buying gold, then the price of gold goes up. If a lot of people are selling gold, then the price of gold does what? Goes down. Whenever you look at your trading view chart, or you look at the price of asset on your trading platform, you'll see a lot of candlestick, and all of those candlestick and pattern you see on your chart is the result of a lot of people buying and selling, and that's how it affects the price. And who are those people buying and selling? It could be you, it could be me, it could be institutions, it could be banks, it could be corporate, it could be anyone that has enough money to go and buy or sell that asset, then can influence on the price of that particular asset. And your goal as a trader is to be able to read and understand that chart and be able to predict where it will go next. Now that you know that your goal is to learn and predict where price will go, how do you even access the financial market? For you to access the financial market, you need something we call a broker. A broker basically is like a company that allows you to access the financial market. It puts you direct access to the financial market. And then you need a trading platform. A trading platform is basically an interface where you can click buy or sell, and then the broker will now send your trade directly to the financial market instantly, by the way. And then the few more things you need: you just need a good internet connection to be able to connect to the trading platform, and you also need a telephone or a laptop. Okay, you cannot use a yam phone for you to trade. You obviously need like an Android phone or a laptop, or you can also use an iPhone. It doesn't really matter. But again, if you're asking me which kind of spec do you need like a very expensive laptop? Do you need like a very expensive phone? No, all you need is a laptop that works. Okay, it can be any Windows laptop, can be even the cheapest laptop you can get. I'm gonna make another video for you guys how to install the whole trading platform, but the laptop you need is not important. And then you also need a phone that works, can be connected to the internet. That's it. So again, I can break it down for you. You need a laptop or a phone, and then you the internet connection to be able to connect to that trading platform. And when you click buy or sell, the broker sends your trade directly to the financial market, and you can interact with that financial market. And if you're able to predict the prices well, then you can end up making profit at the end of the day. The real question is, when you're talking about financial market, which kind of market are you gonna have? You have a lot of market that you can interact with, such as the Forex market, which can be Euro USD, GBP USD, or USD JPY. There are a lot, but I cannot tell you all of them right now. You have commodities such as gold, oil, or silver, and you also have, let's say, the crypto market such as BTC, Ethereum, and you also have the stock market. You can trade Apple, Meta, Nvidia, and all of those companies. Each market I've just said right now, they move in different time, right? For example, the Forex market is open from Monday to Friday, and the crypto market is open 24/7. So not all the market are open every single time, and you have to choose which kind of market you would want to trade. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. But if you want to trade the Forex market, then you'll only be able to trade from Monday to Friday. And if you want to trade crypto, then you can trade basically every single day. Most traders actually choose to trade Forex because you don't need like a big account size for you to start trading Forex. You can trade commodities, but in this video series, I'm going to teach you exactly how to trade each of those markets. I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how to create an account with a broker, how to use a trading platform, how to predict price, and how to end up making profit at the end of the series. So if you are excited, make sure you stick till the end of the series. So that would be pretty much it for this video. See you guys on my next content.